Ready to escape the world? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to redefine your audio experience with industry-leading noise cancellation. Imagine silencing your commute, focusing better at work, or truly immersing yourself in your music. These headphones make it a reality, blocking out distractions like never before. But the magic doesn't stop there. With an incredible 30-hour battery life, your soundtrack lasts longer than even your busiest days, perfect for travel or long study sessions. And for seamless multitasking, the multipoint connection lets you effortlessly switch between your phone and laptop, so you never miss a beat or a call. This isn't just noise cancellation, it's smart audio engineering, adapting to your environment and delivering premium sound quality that truly elevates every listen. If you're looking to upgrade your listening experience and invest in the best noise-canceling headphones for 2025, the Sony XM5s are absolutely worth it. They're incredibly comfortable for all-day wear, making them ideal for anyone serious about their audio and productivity. Don't just take my word for it. Check out the latest deals and customer reviews via the Amazon link in the description below. You'll understand why so many consider these the ultimate choice for peace, quiet, and incredible sound. So if you're ready to experience audio nirvana, the Sony WH-1000XM5s are a definite buy. You won't regret it.